So hello guys, my name is Vincent Corom and I'm here. Outfit check muna tayo men. Nakabag ako na pink, na maliit lang. Jacket na abu, black pants, and shoes na black, na may white. And the purpose of this video is finding a job bro man. Looking for a job guys man. Who can offer sa akin men. Naghahanap ako ng bagong trabaho ngayon men. Dahil sawa na ako sa trabaho ko na taga-bungkal ng bato, 150 arawan. Shit, kailangan ko ng bagong trabaho. And sino makaka-offer sa akin yan men? And may I ask you something guys? Ano ba yung mga common questions sa job interview? Please help me guys na makahanap ng bagong trabaho men. I need new job. I need man. I'm looking for a new job. Man, help me. Please, offer me. Sino makaka-offer sa akin, man? Please, any job. Please, man. Kailangan ko ng bagong trabaho, man. Isa na akong tatay, magiging ama, man. Please, please, please help me, man. Na makahanap ng bagong trabaho, please. Tumataas na yung responsibilidad ko sa buhay, man. Ouch, man. Kahit anong trabaho yan, man. Sawa na ako sa trabaho na taga-bungkal ng bato. 150 arawan. 150 isang araw, man. Tapos walang libre pakain. Shit. Please, looking for a job, man. Hire me, please. Hire me, man. Hire me, man. Please. I need a job. I need a job, man. I need a job. Job. I need a job. Job. I need a job. Please. Hire me, man. I'm looking for a job. Elif job. Sino makakapag-offer sa akin, man? Please, hire me. Ang hirap maghanap ng trabaho.